Hello guys, assalamu alaikum. Welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can install Python in your Windows operating system and how to run any Python code there. Okay, so let's start it. So first of all, you need to open your favorite browser and search for Python, and then you need to visit the first link which is appear here, which is from www.python.org. Just visit the link, and once you click on it, it will show you this kind of web page. So here, as you can see, Python is a programming language that lets you work quickly and integrate system more effectively. Okay, so for download the Python, you need to go to the download, and as you can see at the time making this video, the latest Python version is 3.11. Okay, and it's around 23.99 MB. So once our download is complete, just open the folder, and here is our Python exe file. Just double click on it to install it. So then it will show you the installation wizard. To install this, you need to choose here this option, which is going to add a path in our environment variable. Okay, and you need to click on the customize installation. So here you can see the optional features which will be installed with our Python. First one is documentation, then pip, then ideally, then Python test suite, and then PY launcher. So make sure that all of the option is tick mark and choose here next. And then it will show you the advanced option where you need to click on the first option, which is install Python 3.11 for all users. And at the below you can see the customize installation location where our Python 3.11 will be installed. So if you want, you can change the location by click on the browse, but I don't want to change. So then after that, you just click on the install, and it will start our installation, and our installation is complete. So just click on the close, and for verify the installation, what you need to do, you need to go to the search bar and search for CMD. And after open the command prompt, you just write here Python space double hyphen, then write here version and press enter. And as you can see, here is the version which we already installed. Or you can simply write here py and press enter. And it will also showing us this text which is also showing us the same version. Now you can write here any kind of Python code. I just write here this code, and as you can see, here is the print output. So as you remember, we are also installed the ideally, which is the Python notepad. For open this, you need to go to the Windows icon, and you can find this on the top, or you can simply go to the search bar and search there ideally. You can find this also there. Okay, so this is the interface of ideally shell of 3.11. Now you can write here any kind of Python code. So as you can see, I just write here this code, and after that you just press enter and it will automatically showing us the output. Okay, you can also write the Python code in our Python 3.11. Just click on it, and after that it will open this kind of command line interface. Now you can write here any kind of Python code also. Just write here code and press enter, and as you can see, here is our code output. So I hopefully guys you properly understand how you can install the latest Python 3.11 in your Windows operating system. So if you enjoy this video, don't forget to like, comment and share. And if you like this type of video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and also press the bell icon. And I will see you guys in this next one inshallah. Thank you so much.